Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I thought I'd drop a quick video about a subject that I've been getting a number of questions about lately, and that has to do with a good connection for your TCC. I've worked on some trucks lately with the ABS module, and the easiest way I've found is to tap into the purple wire on that unit. Let me show you how. I don't know if I can make it any easier than this. You'll notice this is the top of the ABS module right here. There are 5 wires across the top, with the center wire being purple. I've placed my test light probe, I've poked in that circuit, so it's poking that purple wire, and I've got it grounded against the firewall. I'm going to turn the ignition key to the on position. The test light is illuminated. I'm not even in the truck. I'm going to press the brake pedal. It's pretty quick and easy. That purple wire, just follow it back in the loom about 6 or 8 inches and tap into it. That's the easiest way I've found, at least with the truck that has an ABS module. Tap into that wire and you get your TCC connection. It's that easy. Thanks for watching.